it's me, and the front is round, and SataGood Tools. And we have the third brand, Good King. Today I will show you our 37 tool set. Here above we have the accommodation spanner from 8 to 19. Here, the quality is really good. You can see you can check that it's really bright. The finishing is really nice. This is the spark spanner. Okay. Below we also have sockets from the 8 to 32 millimeters, and you also can check the quality. I really appreciate our quality. Can you see the polishing? It's really nice, really bright. Then we also have here below 2 spark plug sockets. You can check also the bright. Yeah. If you're not sure about our quality, we also can provide some samples for you. You can check on our website, on Alibaba. Here we have the gadget range with 17 teeth. This is our brand. If you need to put your own logo, we also can do it. We made it with laser, so you can see it's really nice. This is quickly release. Press here, put here, and you can use. And we have this. You can change the weight. So easy, really practical, and now the sliding T-bar. You can see. The polishing, it's really nice. We have here the material. Okay, and the left one, the universal joint. And I love this because every woman, you don't need to be superwoman, Superman to take away this. It's only 5 kilograms and half around. Oops. You can take everywhere. Look, soft. 5 kilograms and half. If you like it, you can get more information at Alibaba, and you can contact me. And we also, Leo and Lily, we are a team, okay? See you next time.